The 2026 Ford Maverick XLT all-wheel drive is here, featuring a highly efficient 2.5-liter hybrid engine and a power-split electric continuously variable transmission. This shadow black pickup comes loaded with the XLT Luxury Package, a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, and the 4K tow package for your heaviest hauls. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Get ready to redefine what a compact truck can do right here in the Fraser Valley. Imagine cruising down the log heat highway from Mission or heading through the heart of Abbotsford with a truck that handles the city as easily as the open road. This Maverick is built for life in British Columbia, offering an incredible fuel consumption rating of 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers combined. Inside, you'll find the stylish navy Pier and Aspen gray trim featuring cloth bucket seats and an ActiveX soft console lid. The interior is designed for maximum utility with an 8-inch productivity screen, power locks, and a unique second-row bench that flips up to reveal under-seat storage, perfect for stashing gear before a hike at Sumas Mountain. On the outside, this shadow black Maverick is practical and tough. It features a spray-in Bedliner to protect your cargo area, along with enclosed bed storage and sturdy bed tie-downs. The exterior is equipped with light-emitting diode headlamps that are wiper-activated, auto high beams, and daytime running lights to keep you visible during those rainy West Coast commutes. For those who need to get work done, the 4K tow package includes a conventional spare tire, ensuring you're prepared for any journey. You also get the convenience of dual power mirrors and a power tailgate lock. A common question people ask is what driver assist and safety features are included to help navigate busy local traffic. This Maverick is equipped with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 system, which includes rear parking sensors to make backing into tight spots a breeze. You also get pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and cruise control. For added peace of mind, it features the security canopy airbags, a perimeter alarm, and the SecureLock anti-theft system. With selectable drive modes, intelligent access with push start, and electric power assist steering, you have total control whether you're navigating the city streets or the highway. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.